Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use and change the Vivo charging animation feature. So if you charge your phone, your Vivo phone, there will be a charging animations, and here I'm going to show you that feature. So first you can start by going to the settings on your phone, and here you can just scroll down and find this dynamics effects to personalize animation effects on your Vivo phone. So tap on that, and this is the charging animation, so click on that to change it. And there are few options that you can select it here. This is my current charging animation, and you can also disable this feature if you don't want to, but if you want to change it, you can just swipe and select the new charging animations that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with this colorful charging animations, and after that you can just click on apply. And after that you can try turning off or lock your phone and then plug in the charger and to see the new charging animations on your phone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.